Wish I may, wish I might. Rabbit's lunchbox was very, very old. Everyone in his class had a lunchbox with pictures on it. There were whales on Woodchuck's lunchbox, and Possum had cars on his. But Rabbit's lunchbox was just blue all over and rusty in the corners. Rabbit told his mother how terrible his lunch tasted in his blue lunchbox. No one would sit next to him at school, he said, because his lunchbox was so old. But his mother said that he was lucky to have such a fine old lunchbox. One night, Rabbit was waiting for supper when he saw the first star twinkling faintly in the sky. He decided to make a wish. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Then he said, a new lunchbox, please. The next morning, when it was time to leave for school, his mother gave him his same old lunchbox. Rabbit thought about the star. It was very far away. Probably his wish had not reached this star yet. That day at school, he sat next to Skunk, and while he ate his lunch, he looked at the snacks on Skunk's lunchbox. When school was over, he went home and put his lunchbox on the kitchen table. Then he went outside and sat down and waited. The sun was setting in the west. It was beginning to grow dark. Soon the first evening star twinkled in the sky. Starlight, star bright, he called. First star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. This time he said in a loud voice, in case you didn't hear me yesterday, I would like a new lunchbox, please. But the next morning, when he was ready to leave for school, his mother gave him the same old lunchbox. Oh, well, that star was certainly far, far away. His wish would probably take a little while longer to get there. That day in school, he sat next to Possum at lunch and counted 14 cars on Possum's lunchbox. After baseball practice, he hurried home and put his lunchbox on the kitchen table. Then he went outside and looked up in the sky. Soon the first evening star appeared. This time he stood and shouted, Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Can you hear me? Wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. As I said before, I wish I could have a new lunchbox. Rabbit's mother opened the kitchen door. She gave Rabbit a funny look and said it was time for supper. The next morning, when Rabbit was ready to leave for school, his mother gave him his same old lunchbox. He almost cried. But he remembered what his teacher told him. She said that the evening star was 6 to 7 million miles away. His wish would probably take at least another day to get there. So he went to school and ate his lunch and studied the blue whale and the white whale and the sperm whale on Woodchuck's lunchbox. Finally, school was over and Rabbit went home. His mother was waiting for him at the door. Rabbit gave her his old blue lunchbox, and his mother gave him something back. A brand new lunchbox. This lunchbox had trucks on it. A dump truck, a garbage truck, a tow truck, more than 10 different trucks. Rabbit hugged his new lunchbox. He hugged his mother. Then he ran outside and called in a very, very, very loud voice, "Thank you, evening star." The end.